Guys, it's me in the Minecraft. My name is Gerald, and we're having a fun in this Minecraft city. So, I'm getting in this house going down. I don't need this, 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 and this. And so, let's see what's in here. Maybe it's a dungeon. Maybe it's a dungeon. Or anything else. I think this is a dungeon. Oh, sticky web. What the? What's that? What's that? I don't know what's that. What's that sound? Whoa. Oh no. There's a lot of zombies. What? Die, you evil zombies. Oh yeah, forget. And why? Oh no, they're gonna kill me and eat me. And I need to pretend be. I need a diamond. Diamond chest plate, diamond leggings, and diamond boots. And where? But this is just for 14.0 for survival or anything, blah blah blah. I'm scared because I'm a zombie. Let's see. No, I'm a zombie. No. Okay. Ew. And by the way, I just finishing my house, but I think I finished it. In this town, I upload this town into the maps. I upload this town in the maps. MC maps for MCP. This map is so cool. Why did you just try it? You try it, you're gonna be a great Minecraft. Oh, I think this is teacher's house. It's so dark. I'm scared. I'm just going home. That's my house. I think mom and dad is not home yet. Oh well. Welcome to my place. It's very creepy. Whoa, why are there many zombies? Oh yeah, I forget to place an iron golem. Eat those, or I mean these. Put this thing away from me. Another zombie. Holy. Ding dong. I think that's the iron golem. The guard. I'm just gonna go. Oh, it's already here. Oh. Hi. Forget to close the door. Hey, what the? Where does this come from? Hey, I'm telling you to, if you're going here, just forget about. I'm just gonna sleep. Is there a zombie? Hello? Creepy. Maybe mom and dad. Zombie. Nope. Nice. There's no zombie in my room. Hey, there's no zombie in my room. Oh, hello. I'll break this. No, that's the guest room. Maybe mom and dad are in the office right now. Don't want to eat. I'm not hungry. 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 Okay. Evil wizard. Gonna run out. Oh, there you are. I'm gonna let this go. I'm gonna let this go. No, I'm just gonna go. Hello? Teacher's not here. Yep. I think what time is it? Or I mean, what day is it? Ooh, it's Sunday. Yeah, I just forget it. Just forget it, so I'm going home. So guys, if you like the video, just please add likes. And thank you for watching this episode video. Bye.